Hi everyone, so let's create a minimum makeup look with a dewy glowy skin. So let's start. I'll start off with the dark concealer. It's going to hide all my dark circles and whatever darkness I have on the face. So I'll apply it and quickly blend it with the brush only. And now I'll be using a foundation from Sephora which is so lightweighted. Oops, I guess the pump is not working. It's an old foundation, so it's okay. I'm gonna take it on the back of my hand like so, and it's a quick hack when you're in a hurry, and I am actually in a hurry, and I'm gonna do the blending and application all together. Now let's enhance the eyebrows with the eyebrow palette from back. Now firstly I'm brushing and now I'm filling the eyebrows. So here I'm doing my favorite part. It's my absolute favorite. I have taken light shade foundation. You can take concealer also, and here I am enhancing the shape of the eyebrow with the help of this light concealer, and now I'm using it as an eye base for the eyeshadow, and now taking it a little bit on the top of the eyebrow. Just see the enhancement it has given, and I'm taking all the high points of the face with the same product, then blending it out with the help of a blender. Now here I present you the product to which I can give a lot of kisses. It's a liquid blush. I'm like putting it all over my cheeks, nose, and a little bit on the chin, and see the sheen it's providing. So it's a time to fix all the cream product with the help of this MAC Prep and Prime. Let's fix it. Spray, spray, spray. So now I have locked the face with the translucent powder. Now let's do some eyeshadow. I have taken Huda Beauty palette and I have taken sandalwood shade. I'm only taking one shade and doing my entire eye. I'm just putting the shade and then I'm blending it off. And yes, I have taken Huda Beauty palette and I have taken earthy color from it. You can take any palette and just blend it like so. Now let's open up the eye look with the help of this mascara. It is from the brand Ferrero Rocher. It has two bond. One is for the thick one is for the lower lash. And yes, it is one of my favorite mascara. Let's quickly contour the face with the help of BH Cosmetics contour palette. Now let's do the powder blush again with the help of BH Cosmetic palette. I have mixed two shades and putting it on cheeks, a little bit on nose. Highlighter time, I have taken the palette Morphe and I have taken a champagne sort of shade and highlighting all my highlighted parts. So the last thing is lip lining and filling the lips. I have taken lip liner from PSE, and the lipstick I have taken is from NARS. It's a very beautiful nude shade. Now let's use some hair serum and I'm gonna comb a little bit, and yeah, I'm ready and all set to go. Just check out my look. What a glow I'm getting through this foundation. If you like the look, just like, comment, share and save. Now bye, I'm getting late.